Hello, I'm Jada, and this is breaking news you won't hear anywhere else. On April 1st, 2025, Wisconsin voters head to the polls for what might seem like a local judicial race. But make no mistake, this is ground zero in the fight for America's political future. The Wisconsin Supreme Court election between Susan Crawford and Brad Shamil has shattered records, becoming the most expensive judicial race in American history, with over $80 million spent. Why? Because both parties understand what's really at stake here. This isn't just about Wisconsin. It's about who controls the legal framework in a critical battleground state ahead of future elections. The court currently has a 4-3 liberal majority, and this race will either preserve that majority or create a deadlocked court with a swing vote. Let's break down what you need to know. Crawford, the liberal candidate, is a Dane County judge with ties to Democratic leadership. She's campaigning to maintain the court's current balance, arguing that the liberal majority is protecting constitutional rights. Schimmel, the conservative candidate and former state attorney general, has explicitly stated his goal is to take back the majority from liberals. He's received President Trump's endorsement and is leaning heavily into that connection. But here's where it gets interesting. Elon Musk has emerged as a kingmaker in this race. His America PAC has poured money into supporting Shamil, and he's even been handing out $1 million payments to Wisconsin voters after the state Supreme Court refused to stop him. The Democratic Party is so concerned about Musk's influence that they've allocated $1 million specifically to counter his messaging. Recent polling shows Crawford with a slight lead, 44% to Schimel's 40%, but in a race this close, anything can happen. The implications are enormous. This court will likely rule on abortion access, voting rights, redistricting, and union protections. As one political science professor put it, this has become the one election that really decides the direction of the state. What we're witnessing is the continued nationalization of local elections. When a state Supreme Court race attracts figures like Trump, Bernie Sanders, and Elon Musk, it signals a fundamental shift in how political power is contested in America. The April 1st outcome will tell us a lot about whether Trump's November victory has created lasting momentum for conservatives or if Democrats have regrouped after their presidential defeat. This is democracy in real time, folks. Messy, expensive, and consequential. I'll be back with the results and what they mean for the country moving forward. If you value this kind of no-nonsense political analysis, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm Jada, and this is the news you need to know. See you next time.